Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw, and I told you I was showing you a lot of Christmas DIYs to help you spruce up your decor this season. So you know who it is. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell for all things Lifestyle DIYW. Now, this video will include the Couture chips by Lifestylechalker, which is aka me. That's where I'm sharing all my Couture designs. So let's get to it. So when you sign up for Couture, you get a pack of 12 chalkboard chips. Those are those black round discs that you see me working here with as well. You also get a sheet of about, I think, 3, 6, 9, I think 9 little minis that you see me transferring on, and you get a couple of Chalkology containers of paint. So I wanted to do black and white Christmas on one of my Christmas trees this year, and I'm actually doing ornaments real time on my Instagram. So every day I'm actually posting one DIY ornament that I'm literally making that day and putting up a little video for you guys to see. So that's all I really did. I took my Chalkology paint and I used the mini transfers and just added the white paint because, like I said, I'm doing the white and black and I really want them to stand out. So hey, take a look at how they came out and you let me know in the comment box below if you like them. Stay tuned. Guys, I thought these ornaments came out so cute, so quick and fast. I literally did them in like 15 seconds. So I love Couture. I've had it for a couple of months now. And if you want to get to know Couture, just click that link in my description box and get started today with Couture. Thank you guys.